Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome to the series of React Material Design Bootstrap Hive. So this is the sixth part of this series, and in this part we are going to implement a model with the help of React Material Design Bootstrap 5. So I'll give the demo what we are going to build in this video. So basically we are going to build the model with the help of Material Design Bootstrap 5. So if you click on this button, that is launch demo model, so you will get this model, and you can close this model either by clicking on this close button, or you can close the model by clicking on this icon, close icon. And the model will also get closed if you click on this backdrop. Okay, so if you just click on this backdrop, this model will get closed. Okay, so this model component we are going to build in this video with the help of Material Design Bootstrap 5, and the GitHub link of this video will be there in the description. So guys, you can always check out the description for the source code of this video. And guys, you can also like my Facebook page, or you can also follow me on the Instagram. The link will be available in the description, so you can follow me on that Instagram, or you can like my Facebook page as well. And guys, if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe this channel and like the video as well. So let us start building this model component with the help of Material Design Bootstrap. So guys, if you are following this series, you can see that I have already created a couple of components with the help of Material Design Bootstrap 5. So this is the sixth part in this series, and earlier I have created a 5 component with the help of Material Design Bootstrap 5, and if you haven't watched those videos, I will provide the playlist link in the description. So let's create one file here in the component. So in the component folder, we are going to build all the different Bootstrap 5 component. So in this video, we are basically building the model component only. So I have created this model.js file, and I'm going to generate a snippet, React snippet. So RFCE. So I have generated this snippet, and so let's also bring the component from MDB React UI kit. So MDB React UI kit. So we need some component like, so we are going to use a button, then we are going to use a model here, then we'll be using a dialog box. Okay, model dialog, then MDB model content, then we are going to have a MDB model header, then MDB model title, then we will having the MDB model body, then we are going to have the MDB model footer. Okay, so this all component we need here, and let's keep here for now model only, and let's format this one, and we have to bring use state, and let's define one state here. So that will be the show set show. Okay, use state, and initially it will be the false. Okay, so let's remove this content, we don't need this one, and I'm going to use a fragment here, and first I'm going to have this btn. Okay, so I'm going to give here like launch demo model, and on click we are going to have one method that is a toggle show. Okay, So let's define this one as well outside the return. So const toggle so, and here I'm going to have like set so. So basically we are toggling here. So I'm just going to do a opposite here. So this way basically you can do it toggle. And now I'm going to have mdb model. Okay, so inside that we are going to have show. So I can just pass this state here so as it is, then get open state. So this all the props we need to provide here. E set show E. Okay, and we have to give also a tab index. So this will be like -1. Let's do a format here once again, and after that we are going to have mdb model dialog, then mdb model content, then mdb model header, then we are going to have mdb model title. This will be, you can give here like model title. Okay, you can give anything here. Then we are going to have one button. So again I'm going to use mdb btn. Okay, and it will having a class name btn close, and color it's going to having a none. And in on click method again I can pass this method toggle so. So let's pass this method toggle so, and after header we can have mdb model body. So inside that we are going to have some content. So I'm just going to data.js file, and I'm just going to copy this one description. You will already have this data.js file because I will provide the GitHub link. So you can always check the description for that GitHub link. So just paste it here, that description. Okay, so we have pasted that one. Now after this model body we are going to have a footer, mdb model footer. Then we are going to have mdb btn, and we can give here like close. Color we can give here secondary, and again on click we can pass that method toggle so. And again we can have one more button. So this button don't have any on click method because we are not going to save any kind of data. So you can give here like save changes. Okay, so we are almost done with this component, and let's go into the app.js file and bring that model component. So VS Code automatically import that component, and let's go into the browser whether it's working or not. So let's refresh this one. Let's click on this launch demo model, and we have got this model. You can close this model by clicking on this icon. You can close the model by clicking on this close button, and you can also close the model by this if you click on the backdrop. So this way also you can close the model. So this is the model component that we have built in this video, and I hope you have liked this video. And if you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe this channel to get more awesome video on React. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Bye bye.